In this tutorial, we'll walk through the Firm360 dashboard, how to access it, customize it with widgets, and tailor the layout to your workflow. Let's dive in. The Firm360 dashboard gives you a central view of the most important information and tools you need. Each piece of information is displayed as a widget, giving you access to insights like your projects, tasks, and other relevant information without navigating through multiple screens. By default, your dashboard is curated to view key items such as your open projects and tasks. Want to make the dashboard your own? Click Change Layout in the upper right-hand corner to begin customizing. Here, you have the ability to add widgets based on your user roles. You can remove widgets by simply clicking the X next to the widget. You can reorder widgets by dragging and dropping. You can even choose your layout, switching between one column here or two columns like this. Once you've selected all widgets that are important to you, ensure that they are arranged in exactly the order you would like to view them in, and then simply click Finished Changing Layout. Here you will see your changes have saved to meet your needs. Your dashboard will always give you a view of your checked out documents for easy access. You can click the link here or use the action drop-down menu for management tools. If you use timers for tracking work, widgets such as open projects let you start or add a timer right from your dashboard. That's a quick look at the Firm360 dashboard and how to customize it for your workflow. Personalizing your dashboard will help you stay organized and focused on what matters most, saving you time and effort every day.